You might have observed that I have added Google Keep, WhatsApp, and the Facebook website to my Windows taskbar. I'll share how to pin websites and browser app links to the Taskbar toolbar using Microsoft Edge browser, plus 2 effective alternative methods. For the pin to taskbar method in Google Chrome, you can find link in description. To pin a website using the Microsoft Edge browser, start by navigating to any website, for example Google Docs, YouTube Kids, any Facebook page, YouTube Music. Click on the 3-dot menu located in the top right corner of the Edge browser window. This option also allows you to install any specific website as an app. To pin the website to the taskbar, hover your mouse over the More Tools option. From there, select Pin to Taskbar to create a shortcut on Taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You can see YouTube Music is successfully pinned to my taskbar. Now I will share 2 alternatives methods I personally use. Instead of pinning the website, you can also drag the security icon or URL to save it in a bookmarks folder in Google Chrome or a favorites folder in Microsoft Edge for quick access later. One alternative strategy is to keep hundreds of websites open in your browser at all times, just as I do in my browser. You can find the tutorial link in description to learn the method. Please like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel. Enhance your skills with Windows PC and browsers by exploring my other tutorials. Thank you for watching.